Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 8. So today we can discuss our presentation about the title of the role of technology of online classes among Malaysia University students. Before we start, we want to introduce the group member. My name is Kamar Izzah bin Kasim. Second,
Hello, my name is Mohamed bin Jaafar.
Hi, my name is Nahariah Binti Hairul Ajiki.
Hello, and my name is Lavanya Patricia, Dr. Joseph.
Alright, so we start to the introduction. During this pandemic, technology is important in the learning process to communicate between teachers and students to enhance the learning process. It because they need technology such as smartphone, laptop or tablet to join the online learning classes. They are usually done on the online platform such as Google Meet or Zoom application. Online learning is a process of study without having to physically attend class or lecture.
Okay, next we go to the problem statement. Okay, for the problem statement of this title, of course, the firstly is unstable internet connection, mainly in rural areas where coverage is low. And then the second one is difficulties, shortage of device such as laptops for the uses of appropriate icons, Microsoft Office, communication related apps and website, browsing study materials. And then the lastly is without computer literacy, it's hard for lecturers, students, parents to start using a learning management system or any other digital tool out of nowhere without additional training.
Third, for the objective, after we find the problem statement, we need to find the objective of our title, our problem. So, the goals of learning are to prepare students for their future and to help them reach their full potential as lifelong learners. So, but due to some challenges such as this pandemic COVID-19, the method of online learning may affect the student learning process. There are three purposes that focus on this survey. First, to investigate coverage of the internet among students in Malaysia. Second, to determine the accessibility to devices such as laptops or computers among students in Malaysia. And the last one is to identify the literacy and skill of students in using the technology and medium provided to access online learning.
Okay, so next for methodology, the data collection process will be conducted using online form where we use Google Form, which will be then given to Malaysian university students as we discussed from UITM, UTHM, UNITED and also UMP. And this is to see how technology can affect their open-end learning, which is ODL process. Then the questionnaire in Google Form will be divided to two sections. One is demographic and another is the series of questions involving about the problem statement. And the number of respondents that we target is at least 50 respondents. Moving on to the significance of the issue, it will be seen by three personas from the students aspect, lecturers and also parents. So as for students, we want to see whether they will have better experience in learning if internet connections are stable. And then for lecturers, we will be able to see if they can conduct the learning process with a more interactive medium to enhance students' understanding during the lectures. And also for parents, we will get to know what proper equipment to provide such as laptops and Wi-Fi at home for the students for the online learning process.
Okay, we go to the conclusion. In conclusion, the majority of Malaysian university student face challenge in the online learning technology. The purpose of the study was to conduct a survey on the challenge faced in online learning technology among Malaysia university student. in the study, the challenge faced by the student where they do not have a good internet connection, which is can lead difficult in join their online learning classes. Besides, most of the student lack proper device to undergo the online learning that affect difficultly for them to focus on the class. In addition, the student hardly understanding and adapt to new software that needed to be used for any subject project because of lack of computer literacy software training cost of them. That's all for me. Thank you.
I think that's all from our group. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.